In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on eBay international shipping so you can start selling to customers worldwide. It's a simple process, and once it's enabled, your listings can reach a much bigger audience. Start by opening your browser and going to ebay.com. Log into your account, and once you're on the home page, look toward the top and click on Help and Contact. In the search bar, type eBay International Shipping Program. This will take you to the official page explaining how the program works and what requirements you need to meet. To use international shipping, you'll need to maintain at least an above standard seller rating and follow all of eBay's rules and policies. Your items must also be physically located in the United States and listed on ebay.com. Only items that are eligible for export can be shipped internationally. There are limits to keep in mind. The total order value including shipping must be under $2,500, 0 cents USD. Packages also must stay within eBay's size and weight limits. Your item can't exceed 48 inches in length, and the combined length plus girth must be under 84 inches. For weight, most countries allow up to 44 pounds, while shipments to Canada can go up to 66 pounds. Once you've reviewed the details and confirmed you qualify, simply enable the program from your shipping settings. After that, eBay handles the international leg of the delivery, making the process much easier for you as a seller. And that's it. Your account is now ready for global sales. Turning on international shipping is one of the fastest ways to reach more buyers and increase your overall sales potential. Happy selling!